All right, guys, so we've got Lou doing the install on the InstaVac. He's also doing a little training, getting these guys squared away to where they can be the absolute best that there is. This is an insane deal. The guy that's who's training our guys has been doing this for nearly 20 years, so he knows a thing or two about what's going on. But this InstaVac system is fantastic. I'm going to do a little video a little later just to kind of show you guys how that works and kind of what to expect when you have the InstaVac system. It is a dry vacuum system, but it's meant to make cleaning the garage, functioning in your car, all of that super easy and manageable. And so anything I can do to help keep my car a little cleaner, I'm down for, especially if you got young kids like I do. That vacuum cleaner is going to be something serious. But the options that are going on in this garage, James did a fantastic job with it. Like I said, shelving unit here. We've got another one on the opposite wall, matching slat wall right here, and you see it's finished out. So it's trimmed out to the edge all the way, so you get that clean look. And you notice that something that you don't see here, there are no screws in our slat wall, so you're going to get that really clean, really crisp finished look, and that's really going to help set it off, especially if you do something with the floor. Right now, just got bare concrete. We've got some cracking here, a little bit of damage on through here. All of that's going to be taken care of when they go to apply this floor. Today we've got a lot going on. Again, this is kind of a training day scenario. Typically we only have a couple of guys on site, 2 guys in the van to take care of you, but right now we've got the customers out in the garage taking a look at it. They're super happy, and that's what it's about, man. We want to make sure that this hits a home run for them, and that's how we're going to treat your place as well. So again, hello garage, what do you do? My name's Nick. You can ask for me. I'll gladly come out and take a look at your space, and we'll get you set up with some guys that really care about what they're doing. So again, looking forward to it and excited. Hope to meet you soon.